Stop wasting time on coupon websites. Seriously, they are all expired. If you want the best Hostinger deal right now, just click the link in my description. It's that simple. The link applies the actual working discount automatically, so you don't have to type a single thing. Here is why this matters. Most Hostinger coupon code 2026 lists you find online? Completely fake. You'll waste 10 minutes copying codes that fail at checkout. My link takes you straight to the active deal. Whether you're building a blog, a business site, or a store, Hostinger makes it easy. You get a clean dashboard, one-click WordPress, and even an AI site builder. Free SSL, backups, and email are all included. But here is the secret. The price you see on the page is good, but when you click Choose Plan using my link, the real Hostinger coupon kicks in at checkout and drops it even further, usually another 20% off. Click the link in my description right now. That's your direct access to the biggest Hostinger discount. Lock it in before the deal changes.